What is up, guys? Today we're going to be making another video about, I don't know, we're just playing some more Roblox. And we're going to be playing some Roblox because I just want to make another video. And let's continue with Skyscraper Factory Tycoon. Or let's play another fun game because that's probably boring for you guys. Play an obby. What game should we play? Avery? Do you know what game we should play?
Sleep City.
You behind me is like my sister babysits. Who my sister babysits.
My name is Avery.
You're not going in the video.
I know.
But I'm not listening to her, so Sleep City is lame anyway. And I love B-Swarm. Girls are like, oh my god, I need some fashion here. Why is there always all these bad people? Hey. This game is a little glitchy. Oh, there we go. Okay, and I haven't played this game in a while, and I haven't really made a video, so I just plan to make a video. About it. This is boring. Okay, let's just go. I might show you the next video tomorrow. And let's just play a different game. Rose Citizens. I'm not playing Leap City. We should do Clown Obby. Yeah, I like clowns. You might think I'm not really like a fast typer. Just give me some time here. Like, there's not that much obbies to play. What just happened? Oh no. Okay. That was a little weird. Clown, obby. Smile too. Only. But let's just play. Okay. It's a scary game anyway. I don't care if it's scary. A banana peel. Where did you get this stupid money from? I have a chance of being clown 30, okay. Okay, this is very, very bad. Let's just leave. Wait. Let's just play. Parents, if you guys see this, it's not any inappropriate stuff, but that might be right there. YouTube, do not take me down though. Please, if you do, I will come to your headquarters and hack you. Yeah, you don't want that. What's happening? Okay. Hide before it's here. It Okay. Where should we hide? I like. Thanks for the torch. Oh. How many people has a torch? Or do I have a flashlight? This game is very dark.
You have a torch.
No. Daniel? Smile. You're a human. Oh. Yeah, I can't really see with all this dark. Yeah, these people have a good idea on their names. Where am I? This game is pretty scary, I'm recommending. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. That sounds scary. That sounds scary. Oh no.
What's your username?
I'm not telling you my username right now. Sorry, Avery.
Mine.
Go play a happier game. Oh my god. What do I do? How many people are getting killed? I just want to go play. No! No. He's coming. Yay, I survived! Yay! You know what, guys? I'm doing the clocks. You guys might not see, but it's starting to get scary. So, whoa, guys. Okay. I sounded way too hyped. Well, I won. Yeah. Okay. I don't really want to get horrible dreams, so yeah. I mean, that game was scary. But let's just play another. It looks like this is more fun. I mean, like there's 16 playing, so I mean there's not that much playing, but good. Okay. That wasn't any program, or this is not live or anything. Where am I? Oh, there am I. I want to be Sonic. Wait, he looks kind of offage. Avery,
Yeah, please play.
do you think my skin is a bacon guy?
No.
Okay. Well, I think she's lying. Because, I mean, look at this. So where do I go? I'm in a toilet. It's not funny. Oh my god. His eyes are pretty bad. Well, this is a pretty good obby. Oh, this one I had such a hard time on. Okay. And I didn't forget a shirt again, like how I had no shirt like all the videos. Because, you know? What did I tell you like 5 minutes ago not to talk, Avery? I'll be quiet. But I have to talk for the film anyway, so. What's the skyscraper tycoon? Yes, this does take years. Just to let you know, Avery, so never click on this. What?
Okay.
You are not playing it. Yeah, that means. Yeah. One, two, three. There we go. Oh, that's already done. Okay. Okay, that was some nice jamming. I mean, it was worth it. Worth it. And yeah, this is the factory so far. And Avery, never click on this because, I mean, if you have Robux to buy. That's a jam again. Oh. Yeah. Nice. You guys might not hear it because I have one of those speaker things. Yeah. Hey, stop. Yeah, get out. Okay, guys, I have to go now, so yeah, bye. I can't say all the subscribing things because